Draw a line in Figma with Pen Tool. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows Start icon on your keyboard and type Google Chrome into the search field to locate the browser application. Open Google Chrome and wait for it to launch completely on your device. Next, click the URL bar at the top of the browser window, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and make sure you're already signed into your Figma account. Once the login process is complete, wait for the Figma dashboard to load fully on your screen so you can access all available design tools and projects. To draw a line in Figma with the Pen tool, create a new file by clicking the plus design button from the dashboard. After the new file opens, the editing workspace for your project will appear. Locate the Pen tool in the toolbar at the bottom of the interface and click it to activate the drawing mode. As an alternative, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the P key, which immediately switches to the Pen tool without requiring you to click the toolbar icon. When the cursor changes to indicate that the Pen tool is active, move it to the exact location on the canvas where you want the line to begin. Click once to place the starting point of your line. Then click, hold, and drag your cursor in the direction where you want the line to extend. As you drag, you can adjust the angle and length according to your design requirements. If you want the line to remain perfectly straight and aligned, hold down the Shift key while dragging the cursor. Continue dragging until you reach the desired endpoint of the line. Once you are satisfied with the position, click on the endpoint to place the final anchor point. After the line has been drawn to the correct length and direction, press Enter on your keyboard to complete the drawing process.